Il est incroyable. Il a 18 ans.
At the World Championships 2026, a new name shocked the table tennis world. His name is Flavien Coton. Only 17 years old, the French prodigy defeated some of the biggest names in international table tennis and proved that he is no longer just a future talent. He is already a dangerous player for everyone on the circuit. The biggest statement came when Flavien defeated Hugo Calderano, the world number 5, with a stunning 3-0 victory. Not many players in the world can dominate Calderano like this. Even fewer can do it at the age of 17. But Flavien did it with confidence, speed, and an icy calmness that surprised the entire table tennis community. And this was not a lucky run. During the World Championships 2026, Flavien also defeated top international players like Shunsuke Togami and Kanakja. Match after match, he showed incredible maturity, tactical intelligence, and explosive power. His level is now so high that many fans are already calling him the next Felix Lebrun. But comparing him to Felix Lebrun is not easy. Felix himself is already a phenomenon in world table tennis. Yet Flavien is following a similarly unbelievable path. At 17 years old, only a few players of the modern generation reached this level. Names like Felix Lebrun, Sora Matsushima, and Tomokazu Harimoto come to mind. Even stars like Wang Chuqin or Lin Shidong were not at this level at the same age. What makes Flavien special is not only his talent, it is his mentality. At the table, he looks cold, calm, and fearless. He starts matches with unbelievable intensity. His serve and first attack are already world-class. He plays with aggressive placement, changes direction at incredible speed, and constantly pressures his opponents. Mentally, he suffocates players. Even experienced professionals struggle to find rhythm against him. His physical engagement is also impressive. Despite his young age, Flavien transfers enormous power into the ball. His counter topspin and backhand blocks down the line are already among the most dangerous weapons in his game. But perhaps his greatest quality is his vision of the game. He reads the opponent extremely early and attacks the empty spaces with precision. This is why his rise no longer feels like a surprise. Flavien Coton is not producing isolated miracles anymore. He is becoming consistent. Tournament after tournament, he goes deeper and deeper. He already proved himself in star contender events and WTT Smash tournaments, where only the best players in the world survive. Now at the World Championships 2026, he has officially announced himself to the entire world. French table tennis is experiencing a golden generation. With the Lebrun brothers Simon, Gauzy, and now Flavien Coton, France is becoming one of the strongest powers in world table tennis. And among this incredible generation, Flavien may be the most mysterious talent of all. At 17 years old, he is already feared. The future of table tennis has arrived, and his name is Flavien Coton.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.